negative indexing in list. Okay, so negative indexing basically includes left to right traversal of list elements. That means example index -1 is the last item. Okay, so we will see an example to understand it in a better way. Let us create a list. So we created a list with 5 string items and we printed it also easily. Now we will work around negative indexing. Okay, so let's say we want to fetch the last element. For that, mention print under that my list, and under square bracket mention -1. Okay, so -1 will fetch the last element. That means archery, you printed it. Okay, now if you want to fetch the second last element, what you will do, since the last element is -1, the second last element will be -2. Okay, so this will print cricket here. This will print cricket. Let's see here, and you can see it printed cricket. In this way you can easily work around negative indexing in Python list.